A very good morning to my class 9th students. Nazism is back and so is your Hitler sir, Mr. Anshul. Okay, I'm not a Hitler. I'm a very genuine person. No worries, I was just joking. Let's begin the today's video. Okay, and I have told you the causes behind rise of Adolf Hitler in Germany after World War I. Now I'll be telling you what did Hitler do, what were the consequences, what were the things done by Adolf Hitler when he became the dictator of Germany in the year 1934. Hitler completely took over the powers of Germany as a dictator in the year 1934. As you know, after World War I, Germany was having very poor economy. बहुत पैसा वॉर में जा चुका था and the industries were not in good condition. There were less jobs, unemployment all around. So what Hitler did, Hitler tried to end the economic crisis by economic upliftment of Germany. He opened new industries. He arranged for employment of the people, of the masses, and he started the social work. Because of this, his popularity rose and rose. भाई ऑब्वियसली भूखे को खाना खिलाओगे, गरीब को रोटी दोगे और बेरोजगार को नौकरी दोगे तो तुम उसके लिए भगवान बन जाओ. ठीक है. सेम वॉज द थिंग इन द माइंड ऑफ हिटलर. ही न्यू Germans are lacking money and this money could only be given by setting up and establishing a strong economy. Okay? So he set up different industries, he set up different units, he set up a lot of things to uplift the economic condition of Germany. With this, he provided jobs and food to the people of Germany. Next important thing is that Germany had lost the battle very badly. So Hitler himself came from an army background, military background. So what he did, he overhauled the whole military system of Germany. बहुत पावरफुल military system he developed. He developed a very powerful military organization. He set up a very powerful military organization. Okay? And the military organization was so powerful that it was controlled only by Hitler. Whatever Hitler wanted to do, the military organization did that. And with the help of this powerful military organization, he suppressed all the revolts and all the people those were against him. इतना प्राउडी हो गया कि उसको इतना घमंड हो गया अपने मिलिट्री ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में. उसने कहा कि मैं वर्ल्ड वॉर में जर्मनी का बदला ले लूँगा और कोई मेरे सामने अब टिक नहीं सकता. अगर मेरे अंदर जर्मनी में भी कोई मेरे खिलाफ रिवोल्ट करता है तो मैं विद द हेल्प ऑफ आर्मी उस रिवोल्ट को दबा दूंगा और लोगों को पिटवाऊंगा, मरवाऊंगा. ठीक है. कोई मेरे खिलाफ आवाज़ बुलंद नहीं करेगा. वट एवर आई विल डू, आई विल डू. थर्ड इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग ही डिड, ही पुट अ बैन ऑन ऑल अदर पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज. उसने कहा एक ही पार्टी रहेगी जर्मनी में एंड दैट पार्टी इज नाजी पार्टी, द पार्टी ऑफ हिटलर. All other parties like Socialist Party, like Communist Party, जितनी भी parties और थी या trade unions और थे, the trade unions means the worker unions. He put a ban on all the worker unions also. He was in the mood of completely removing or finishing the opposition from Germany so that nobody could put a finger on his works, nobody could challenge. So he completely banned other political parties by making a different rules and suppressing, means with the help of military. He beat the other leaders, he wounded the other leaders, he tried to control everything with the help of power. So he completely removed internal democracy from Germany. Democracy means when the voice of the people could be heard. इंटरनल डेमोक्रेसी उसने कम्प्लीटली ख़त्म कर दी, एकदम तानाशाह बन गया. ही बिकेम अ डिक्टेटर. व्हाटएवर ही सेड दैट वाज राइट एंड नथिंग कुड बी चैलेंज्ड. यहीं तक नहीं रुका वो. सोशलिस्ट एंड कम्युनिस्ट लीडर्स को या सोशलिस्ट एंड कम्युनिस्ट फॉलोअर्स को he gave very harsh treatment. मरवाया उन्हें, पिटवाया, बंद करा दिया, घर में कैद करा दिया, very badly torture किया mentally and physically. Women even he did not leave the women. Women पे भी कहा जाता है कि he beat women also. Socialist and communist women. जो भी हिटलर की पार्टी को सपोर्ट नहीं करता था, नाजी पार्टी को, वो उसको ऐसे करता. एंड नेक्स्ट द बिगेस्ट ब्लंडर और द बिगेस्ट डिक्टेटरशिप एक्ट दैट हिटलर परफॉर्म, दैट ही बर्न्ड द ज्यूज अलाइव. ज्यूज थे जर्मनी में, यहूदी जिन्हें कहते हैं Jews, and the Germans hated the Jews. There was a racial discrimination between Germans and Jews. The Germans considered themselves to be a superior race. उनको लगता था जर्मनी की जो हार हुई है वो Jews की वजह से. Jews ने ठीक से अपना काम नहीं किया. इनको जर्मनी की प्रेस्टीज से कोई लेना देना नहीं है. They are not loyal to Germany. And they are not as advanced, as powerful, as superior as Germans are. What Hitler did, he made barrels and he put Jews inside it. गरम उसने चैम्बर्स बनवाए जहाँ पे भट्टियाँ थी और उसने Jews को डलवा के जलवा दिया. This was the act of inhumanity performed by Adolf Hitler, and this is why he is not known as a ruler, he is basically known as a dictator. Okay, he was very harsh, very critical towards Jews. He did not leave any Jews, and he took all the revenge from Jews, communists and socialist leaders. So at one time a complete wipe off means removal of opposition was there in Germany, and there was only a single-handed one-shot rule of Hitler and Nazis. Last but not the least, what he did, a strong camps of training people for military was done. A widespread militarism throughout the Germany was done. लोगों को मिलिट्री ट्रेनिंग दी जा रही थी कि उनको प्रिपेयर किया जाए वॉर के लिए. और फाइनली हिटलर ने अपनी इच्छा पूरी भी की. सेकेंड वर्ल्ड वॉर में he put Germany in the Second World War. Okay? So हिटलर ने ये 5-6 चीज़ें की. फर्स्ट वॉज दैट ही uplifted the economic system of Germany that was completely destroyed due to World War I. Then he completely put a ban on other political parties and trade unions. And There was nobody to speak against Hitler. He did not like anybody to speak, and neither he did not leave anybody to speak against. Next was the Jews, the socialists, and the communists were given very, very harsh punishments. They were burnt alive. They were made to live in very warm chambers. And last but not the least, very large military training programs, very strong military training programs to prepare people for the war was done by Hitler. So these were the consequences of the rise of Nazism. These are the results, the effects that were seen in Germany after Hitler acquired the dictatorship or power in Germany in the year 1934. I hope this is clear to everybody. If it is not clear to anybody, that body can give me a call, okay? And I will also provide you the notes of all the things that I am teaching you. So no worries, everybody or anybody.